Start the day with an easy, high-protein breakfast meal prep. This baked oatmeal recipe is packed with oats, fruit, and a protein boost, making it perfect for busy mornings when you want something quick, filling, and actually tasty. First thing, because this is baked oatmeal, we're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then you're gonna get a large bowl and you're gonna measure out 2 cups, or about 200 grams of rolled oats. Nice. Then you're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. You can add more or less, this is up to you. When your heart tells you to stop, that's when you stop. If you like cinnamon, add it. Wait, what? Right, if you like cinnamon, add more. That's what I was trying to say. Now, what really bumps up the protein intake in this recipe is your protein powder. Now, if you just want a nice, simple baked oatmeal, you don't have to add this, but I'm adding it in because throughout the week, this is a nice little bit of intake for the protein. So I'm adding in 1 scoop. I'm at the end of my bucket. That's the easiest way to do that. 1 scoop of protein powder, that's vanilla. Then I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup or about 70 grams of dried cranberries because I love them. Get my wooden spoon and quickly mix all of that up. We're gonna set this aside and move on to the wet. See, super fast. We continue the same way. So 1 egg into the bowl, into the garbage. Then you're gonna add in 1/3 cup or about 60 milliliters of maple syrup. Just a little bit more. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, for a healthier version, I'm using applesauce instead of melted butter. This will also help make it more moist. Sorry, if you don't like that word, that's the word I'm using. So I'm using 1/4 cup or about 70 grams of applesauce. And before I add more, we're just gonna mix up everything. And the more is 2 cups or about 475 milliliters of almond milk. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna switch to a spatula and then we're gonna add all the wet ingredients into the dry. The only reason I'm switching to a spatula right now is because I want to get all the liquid out of this bowl. Don't want to waste a drop. Then mixy. But wait, hold on, we're not done. Time to add in the strawberries. Now, my recipe is calling for about 1.5 cups. I'm just gonna add until my heart's happy. I'm happy. That's done. I am just going to lightly grease the bottom of this container and literally just pour the whole thing in. It's fantastic. You know what? I'm going back to my spatula. Nice. And that's it. What was that, 5 minutes? Not even? This is gonna go into the oven at 375 degrees, like I said, for about 45 minutes. And that's it. An easy baked oatmeal recipe with around 50 to 56 grams of protein for the full batch. Perfect for meal prep, easy to portion out, and great to have ready for the week. And hey, if you want more recipes like this delicious one right here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.